Today we will learn Chinese characters.
蛇
First, let's learn the pronunciation.
蛇诗鹅蛇蛇舌头舌头，这是我的舌头，这是我的舌头，舌尖舌尖，蚂蚁有小的舌尖，蚂蚁有小的舌尖，口舌口舌，对他们不要浪费口舌，对他们不要浪费口舌。
Now let's write this Chinese character. This character refers to the human tongue, an organ mainly responsible for speaking, eating, and expressing thoughts. In traditional Chinese culture, it warns people not to talk recklessly, to speak with propriety, avoid stirring up troubles, and refrain from casually gossiping about others. This stroke must be written long to look good. Time flies. See you next class.